Ever feel like Bitcoin is some kind of alien money for tech nerds and criminals? What if I told you it's actually more like digital gold, but smarter? Bitcoin's always in the news. Prices skyrocket, then crash. Some people call it the future. Others call it a scam. But what is it really? Let's break it down with zero jargon and a lot of doodles. Earth. Before Bitcoin, the problem with traditional money. Before Bitcoin, all money required trust. Trust in banks. Trust in governments. Trust that the paper in your wallet meant something. But what happens when that trust breaks? In 2008, the global financial system cracked. Banks collapsed. People lost their savings, their homes, their jobs. Governments printed more money to fix it, but that just made the money worth less. And out of that mess, something radical was born. Bitcoin. Light bulb. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin isn't a coin. It's not something you can hold in your hand. It's code, a set of digital rules anyone can use. It lets you send money from one person to another, directly. No bank, no approval, no delays. Think of it like email, but for money. Fast, global, permissionless. Chain. The blockchain. Explained like you're 5. Bitcoin runs on something called the blockchain. Sounds scary, right? Don't worry. Imagine a notebook. Every time someone sends Bitcoin, it gets written in that notebook. But here's the twist. Everyone gets a copy of that notebook. So if someone tries to cheat, like spend the same Bitcoin twice, everyone sees it. That notebook is the blockchain, a record of every single Bitcoin move ever made. Public, permanent, and tamper-proof. Globe. Why it matters. With Bitcoin, you don't need a bank to send money, just a phone and internet. People use it to send money across countries in minutes, escape hyperinflation, store value outside of government control. In places where money breaks, Bitcoin can be a lifeline. Roller coaster. But isn't it super volatile? Yes. Bitcoin's price goes crazy. One week it's up, the next it's crashing. But here's the thing. It's still new. Imagine if gold were invented yesterday. It'd be chaotic too. Early technologies are always bumpy. The internet was weird at first too. Now we can't live without it. Lock. Is it safe? Bitcoin's network? Never hacked. But people? Oh yeah. They lose passwords, fall for scams. That's because Bitcoin puts you in charge. No bank to call. No forgot password button. You control your keys, your secret code to access your coins. Lose them? Game over. So it's freedom, but with responsibility. Gear. Mining is not what you think. New Bitcoins are created by mining, but don't picture pickaxes. Think computers solving puzzles. Every 10 minutes, thousands of machines race to solve a math problem. The winner gets fresh Bitcoin. It's how new coins are born. No printing press, just math. And it keeps the system honest. No one can cheat without owning more computers than the rest of the network. Good luck with that. Raised fist. Why people believe in it. Bitcoin isn't a company. It has no CEO. No government runs it. No one can turn it off. It's like the internet, but for money. And for people in countries where money gets frozen, censored, inflated. Bitcoin is hope. It's freedom encoded. Common misconceptions. Bitcoin is just for criminals. So is cash and phones and the internet. Bitcoin is just a tool. You can use it to help people or hurt them. That's on you. Final thought. Bitcoin isn't just a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a new way to think about money. One that doesn't rely on banks, borders, or broken systems. One that lives on code and community. Will it solve everything? No. But it's the first serious step toward money that works for the people, not just from the powerful. And maybe that's exactly what we need. Quick wrap-up. So if you've ever felt confused by Bitcoin, you're not alone. But now, you get it. Not perfectly, but enough to start thinking different. And that's all this video wanted to do.